Good morning. Today, I'm starting it off a little different. I stopped at this antique store. I'm going to call it a store. They call it a center. It's a center. It's a gallery. It's definitely geared towards collectors. I didn't film there. I was there a couple weeks ago. I don't know if I said that. But there was one piece in particular that has been troubling me since the second I left it. I don't know if it's going to fit in the car, but I felt like today was the perfect day to find out. Let's go in, and I'm going to assume it's still there. It definitely stuck out like a sore thumb. Very old school antique center. I'm in New Oxford, Pennsylvania, which if you're not familiar with, is very primitive, stuff like that. Very antique-y, very spendy. But there was one thing that stuck out, and I'm here to find it. There it is. Gotta get the cat. This is a really good outsider artist, Earl Swanson. I did some research on this, like, it's definitely spendy. It is 50% off of $580, so it's like $290. They said that they think they can do better. They're going to call now. Of course, I'm getting my new office space, and this thing is everything. It's been bothering me. I mean, it's just so different. You know I gotta get the cat. In the meantime, let's look around at some of their other booths. It's a lot of primitive-y stuff, like I said, but this one vendor has like super wild stuff. And even though I was only here 2 weeks ago, it looks like they've gotten a lot of different stuff. Like this lamp wasn't here the last time I was here. This thing is so cool. Definitely don't need that today. And this is awesome. Look at this. Bruce Peterson. That's his vendor code. Folk art creation. I mean, how wild is that? And with the 50% off, it does make a difference. These are definitely one-of-a-kind pieces. So, like, look at the chairs. So neat. Random Christmas Barney. I love the vibe. This is a really neat piece right here. Wow. Yeah, folk art, outsider art, you know. Definitely unique. There was another booth he had around the corner. I'm definitely going to stop there and check it out since it looks like he's restocked since. I mean, look at this. This is spectacular. Trucker weather vane, circa 1890. That's perfect. I mean, it's so cool. If I didn't live in an apartment building, I would probably need that. This is a really interesting one. What is the artist on this? Interesting. While we're here, this lampshade is insane. Love that. Definitely different. I am so ready for next month. I cannot wait to rearrange my living space as well as decorate my new space. Now over here, there's a couple things that stand out to me. One is gonna be this bust. What is that, lucite?
Me too.
Lucite.
Right.
That's wild. I've never seen something like that. It's also this oil painting that's pretty spectacular. You know, I love a good oil painting. That is spendy. I feel like the glare wasn't doing that justice. Look at the actual feet on this table. Another thing that's really interesting is whatever this sculpture is. Is that paper? Very strange. Kind of into it, I'm not gonna lie. Looks good in this space. Gives it a little pop. What is going on with this? Hand. Wow, if that doesn't make you smile, I don't know what will. This is a spectacular frame. It looks like it was a clock, actually, turned into a frame. All right, let's go back to his other booth. Wow, awesome wheel. Looks like a reproduction. Is it a reproduction? That one's definitely newer. Yeah, that looks to be newer. Really cool, though. Contemporary. Look at this piece. That is fantastic. The photo, I've never seen a photo so well framed. Yeah, the vibe here is everything. Wow, look at the eyeball with the tooth. That's strange. Lots of little knickknacks and Christmas. Oh my gosh, see, like this. This is me all day. Love the way they did this table with the checkerboard. Yeah, this is like targeted towards me. It feels like, what is this lamp? That's unusual. Let me hit it from the other side. Wow, that's really wild. We'll address that in a second. Oh, so cool. Is that boxers? African barbershop sign. Interesting. This lamp is really weird. It's handmade deco lamp, plastic. Ooh. Yeah. It's amazing that that survived. That material is so fragile. I'm kind of stuck in here. Ah, look at that. That's a beautiful color of glass. They don't have a lot of smalls here. It's mostly like giant stuff. These little beaded lamps are pretty neat. So targeted. Crazy mannequin covered in plastic toys. Another checkerboard table. Another lucite lamp. This thing is wild with the chrome shade. And whatever this is, so crazy. Can't imagine how long it took to carve that. They don't have many smalls, like I said. See the nude wood carved. I bet if they did have smalls, they'd be insanely great. Little crab and lucite. Another couple cats. Those are fun. Over here, this palm tree lamp. That is spectacular as well. I am super into that. It's 50% off all these tags, just so you know. I know they look crazy. Speaking of crazy, check that one out. That's an insane mid-century piece. And that's what I would call a perfect fit. I ended up getting a great deal. I paid $250. It is Earl Swanson. You can Google it. Really interesting artist. And I don't know where the day is going to take me from here, but got the cat. While I'm in the process of switching it up a little bit today and having a more relaxed time, I thought I'd check out Ivy Hall Antiques. It's definitely more geared towards old school collectors of primitives and stuff. I'm still in like Abbottstown, New Oxford's area. What is that? Oh, that's nothing. So I thought I'd just go and check it out. I'm kind of having a chill day exploring. Didn't feel like going far, and it's been years. So let's check it out. Be prepared to see more unique antique items for sure. Look at these. What are they, from an old carnival? Those are incredible. Sporting 10 pins. I love that one. All the littles. Look at the little sheep. I love those. I have a couple of those myself. What are the Putz sheep or something? Those are the OG German ones for sure. You can tell by the patina on them. They do make reproductions, but the old ones are where it's at. This is definitely the majority of the vibe here. Love the old oil paintings. Over here, you have some more sheep. The prices on them aren't actually crazy at all. They're pretty reasonable. I love the Buster Brown piece in the back, and this paper mache rabbit candy container is absolutely spectacular. The condition is unreal. I love the chick one too. I have a small collection of those candy containers myself. The snowman, this one's definitely harder to find, and it's priced as so. This is the one we usually see. This one, not so much. Some bracelets in there, and of course the one that sticks out you can't see the price on. Red bangle bracelet. That almost looks like it could be Bakelite. I might have to get a key for that. Oh my gosh, look at that watercolor. That is so good. Well, that's definitely a unique piece. Of course, this tramp art mirror has my full attention. Wow. This place is bigger than I remember it. Definitely noteworthy is this lollipop holder, this store display. Country store lollipop store display. That is so cool. Look at this dog. That's so funny. What? Oh my gosh. Priceless. This one's got a soul tag on it. No wonder. That is so pretty. I love the frame on it too. Wow, look at this parrot. I've never seen anything like that. Large, all-original parrot squeak toy. That's insane. Definitely getting into some interesting territory here. It looks like a really eclectic grouping of antique Christmas. That's interesting. The frame on that kind of makes it look, it's got the sun and everything in it. Lots of paper mache. Over here, I can't help but notice this pirate. That is wild. What a die cut. The pumpkin back there. Oh my gosh, how fun. No way. Look, I remember when I was in Springfield at the meet and greet Valley Girl Party Poodle, saw one of these. I had never seen one before. I am now seeing my second one ever. It's a poodle candy container. It's $95, so it's definitely priced at retail, pretty much, but that's a German one, actually. I think the one she saw was Japanese. It's in really good condition. I don't know. That might be it. That's pretty special. The other thing I noticed is this perfume bottle. Really interesting. Not sure what that says on it, though. Looks spendy. Oh my gosh, look at that. Kitty. Wow. Previously a part of a private folk art collection originally from an elementary school in Burlington, California, circa 1930s. Monetary exercise prop to teach the kids value of money. Wooden coins were provided to feed the kitty, inserting them into the rear reservoir to purchase milk, sandwich. Oh my gosh, how cool. Well, this is me all day. Look at these guys. The giant Armand Marcel. Or no, it's not Armand Marcel. It is German though, those German Bisque dolls. Some of them are just so cool. Look at the little stiff fish. It's this wood wind-up musical revolving circus performer and the elephant, Shonut elephant. That is so cool. I think I butchered that. The other thing is, what is this? Fenton iridescent glass owl. Wow, I've never seen one like that. And over here, the chalkware Santa head bank. That is fantastic. The condition on that is out of this world. Really amazing toys. The horse. Don't ask me how much it is. It's disturbingly expensive, but it's so cool. Look at the paper mache cat. Yeah, vintage Halloween is a whole nother level. Look at the glasses. Those are fun. They're lenticular eye glasses. Oh my gosh, the window. The graphics on that are everything. More Halloween pieces I don't think I've even ever seen before. Oh my gosh, this. Wow, the old ones too. That one's at $175. Some of these are crazy. Look at this cat. Oh my gosh, and that bisque piece behind it. Oh wow. Look at the candy container with the... Oh my god, it's so expensive. It's definitely 4 digits. It's a anthropomorphic pumpkin paper mache candy container riding a banana. Definitely more of a museum piece than anything, but wow. Wow, I just realized that I think I'm misreading some of these price tags. They're definitely spendy. But very, very special pieces for serious collectors. That pipe is spectacular. The anthropomorphic pipe. What is this little guy? Ooh, that's expensive. That's an interesting piece. This folk art bottle cap snake with the glass eyes. That's very cool. That's at $68. That's really neat. Definitely unique. I didn't realize they had an upstairs. I don't think I've ever been upstairs. I've only been here like twice ever anyway. Whoa. What are these horse heads? They're kind of demanding attention. Oh, they're like cast iron. Well, that doll has a rather special expression, doesn't it? Oh, look at that monkey. And over here, whatever this early toy is insane. The hair on it looks like it might be real hair, actually. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, look at this box. Antique folk art matchstick art jewelry box with Anna on top. That is so wild cool. The condition is insane too. I will say, that's one thing about this place. Their prices are spendy, but the condition is like new, even though it's actually antique. Very cool. Wow, look at her. Antique folk art angel doorstop with like the half doll. It's really neat. Definitely a unique shop. I did look at that bracelet. It was Bakelite. It was $55. I don't need it for myself. I think I'm gonna, and it's more than I'd like to spend on it for resale, I should say. So I think I'm gonna continue a nice little stroll down 30 and see where I end up.